In all of our leadership development series, including our Emerging Leader series, you'll find a component we call small group coaching. In small group coaching, a handful of participants gather a few weeks after each workshop to discuss how they've applied their learning from the workshop, how they've put it into practice. Small group coaching brings three great advantages. First, it's a confidential environment where participants have a chance to share and discuss the experiences and activities they've engaged in as they've put their learning into practice. They get to talk about what's worked well, what hasn't worked well, what they've learned as a result. And let's face it, the number one way that we as humans learn new skills is to practice and experience those skills. In small group coaching, then, this experiential learning is showcased and refined through the reflection and discussion that happens in the group. The second advantage of small group coaching comes from what's called social learning. Social learning is simply learning with and through other people. So as participants share their stories of their learning experiences, other members of the coaching group learn from those experiences as well. And through those stories, they identify new approaches or new strategies that they can use in their own work. And the third advantage of small group coaching comes from the fact that it's a wonderful opportunity for participants to talk about and discuss real-time challenges and issues that they're facing at work. Much of the discussion in small group coaching sessions involves helping each other work through real-world issues and challenges so participants can discover new opportunities and new actions for moving forward. With these three great advantages of small group coaching, it's no wonder that many, perhaps the majority, of our participants report that small group coaching is their favorite part of our learning process. We hope you'll join one of our leadership development series so that you too can have the experience and enjoy the deep learning that comes from small group coaching. See you next time.